Greetings from South Charleston, West Virginia. I'm so excited to be back. One of my favorites is the South Charleston Antique Mall, but this place opened up last year. I've heard amazing things. I've never gotten to go. I haven't been down here since it opened. I'm at Vintage and Vines, right next to Charleston. Oh gosh, I just stepped in somebody's gum. The trip that just keeps on tripping, right? Lots of blinko to be expected. Well, I will say it's very beautiful and very clean in here. I think I'm going to start out in this Christmas room here. Holy smokes. All different ages of Christmas going on here. Definitely well displayed. A little overwhelming. It's nice and quiet back here, though. And I love the little rubber Santa face ornaments. $5. The Santa moon ornament. That's so cute. More clowns. I like this totem pole. That's kind of neat. Some salt and pepper shakers. And a nice religious display. I used to love the antique religious stuff. I still do some of it, but it's getting harder and harder to find pieces I haven't seen before with the age I like. These bracelets are neat. Art glass. Lots of blue sky, but it's this little lady head vase. 32 on that. Iris. I love the tiny ones. And then over here, I see some interesting looking owls. They almost look like Rose Lane. What? These are cool. Japan, so they're Napco. 18. Yeah, Rose Lane and Napco made very similar ones, but the Rose Lane would be USA underneath, and the Napco ones would have the Japan sticker. I'm trying to save the aisle that's behind me for my way back. Apparently there's an upstairs. Looks like clothing and records. All right, let's get into this. I'm pretty excited about this. The first thing I see is this tiny apothecary jar. That's so neat. I love the smoky color. Lots of glass. You know, I love the color coordination. Over here is some Fenton. $30 on the bud vase and the duck. I love the ducks. Tiki stuff. That's always fun to find. This is really neat. What is this, metal? Huh. All right, I'm excited to go upstairs. Wow, look at the paintings. These are incredible. Very talented. And creative for sure. Some fun prints. Oh, I love the cards. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Yes. First thing I see is the lucite flowers. Are they for sale or are they just kind of here? I don't see any price tag. Whoa, look at the Fenton topaz opalescent vase, $189. That is gorgeous. And this is a really interesting glass. Leona Mackey art glass. Very cool. Some fun brooches. More nice Fenton. Kind of wish I knew about the... See, the other flowers have price tags on them. That's probably why they're still here, though. I just had a basket. Oh, hello. All right, well, like what's happening here. That would have been perfect for the bulk jewelry sale. And look at these dolls. Well, I love, oh my gosh, the Murano Swan. That is gorgeous. $25? For real? Is it broken? Because that is really special. I don't feel anything wrong with it. That's definitely going to come with me. I was really into those dolls. What about the, not the Hummels, sorry, Hummels, but the Japanese teenage sock hop dancing girl, $10. See, that's a great deal. I've had it a few times recently, and she's got a little wear. I think I'm gonna keep looking. Whoa, look at these guys up here. Nice. Kana, $150 each on those. Some trolls and such. This looks like it's gonna be a little clock. Oh my gosh, there's so much happening over here. Trying to remain focused. It's not always easy for me. And then there's like a random hot dog. That's amazing. It's an older one too. And then down here, this little vase is really sweet. I think that's gonna be a Kana. I thought it was gonna be a pitcher, but I like that it doesn't have a handle. Let me see how much that one is. 15, definitely a good price. But I'm gonna keep being picky. Oh, there's a nice Blinka bowl. 22 on that. That's a good deal. All right, now let's get into this booth. Oh, nice carnival. 25 on that. Ooh, 22 on the cobalt base. I love the wood clown. The strawberry's fun. Murano strawberry, 25. Is that Murano? Let's find out. How do you open this thing? Hold on, let me put my camera down. To be honest, I can't really figure out how to open it. So, that's cool. It's like the same shape as a Blanco chess piece almost. So I think we're gonna keep looking. Whoa. Glass B on leaf, $50. What is that about? That's really wild. I think it's gonna be Chinese. It's still really cool though. I like this little dimpled vase. $12. That's really fun. I think I'm gonna pick that one up. And then here, 50 on that one. This one is different because it's small, and I really like the kind of grotesque shape of it. This clown is just so fun. What do we have going on here? 14. Bobblehead. He's pretty great. Ooh, look at this Imperial bowl. Really pretty color on that. 40. I like the variations of booths in here. And everybody's displayed so well. Look at this fish wall pocket thing. Handmade clay fish, $19. That's definitely wild. This is fun looking. USA pottery, love the black and white. Whoops, accidentally swiped down my video. This booth's got a really great look to it. I'm gonna put my basket down. I don't wanna break this Murano Swan. Some nice swans. What do they have on the pedestal? Smoothie, $120, that seems cheap. The freaking purple Empoli has the stopper, and it's $120. That's a steal. Purple's not really my color though. And then over here, nice three-toe. I actually picked up a three-toe the other day. Wow, that's $75. That's a good price. Yeah, 75 each. And then here, Blinko, 28. Definitely a fun display. This is different. Cobalt. And more salt and pepper shakers, always fun. I like the plastic root beer float ones. Lucite grapes. Those are gonna be $74. And try not to make you dizzy. And not to clank my swan. Lots of Mary Mushroom. Holy cow. Complete sets too. How cool. Ooh. And so it continues. Put my basket down again. I like these, like the randomness of this. I feel like I'm gonna miss something, so I'm gonna go kind of slow. Egg cup, cat planter, USA pottery. Some nice employee bottles. I like that. The honey one with the twist. Honey with the twist. Over here, what do we have hiding down here in the dark? That's not exactly what I wanted it to be. I was hoping that might be Blinko. Some uranium. Oh, good God. It's kind of startling. Ooh, and there's more. Lots of Blinko. That one's really pretty. I love the tangerine. That one's at 78. Seems like all these are right around where they need to be. 28 on the ashtray. I love the paper bag vases too. Those are always fun. Oh, I thought that was going to do something fun. It did. How about that? What is that red and white candy striped thing up there? That's crazy looking. Ooh, nice pink Fenton vase. I like the cased ones. And man, the music is much more chill here than the last place I was at. I nearly ran out of there screaming. This is fun. I think it's contemporary. Love the rainbow motif. This is so great. I love stuff like this. The, oh, yikes. I failed to realize that was a little crass. I just saw fun food-shaped things. This is a different display too. Gosh, the lighting in here is awesome. And lots of color coordination happening. Now, these people really know how to utilize this space. And it's not even overcrowded or anything. Some fun jewelry. What is going on with this basket? It looks like a vintage cat basket. Cat basket, $10. Well, that's epic. It's in really good condition, too. Yep, that's gonna come with me. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even believe I'm seeing one of these. I thought I'd never see one again. I had one that had a little bit of wear. It's a Calendar Girl by Lego Japan. Tell me there's a price on this. $45. Susie date. Oh my gosh, for a collector, that's a steal. Comes with the original box. That's tempting as it is. As tempting as it is, I think it's gonna be a little close for me. Some cute nursery planters. I love all the Kit Kat clocks. So fun. Look at the tiger striped one. Ooh, I kind of don't want this place to end. Interesting. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute little vintage dresses. What is that up there? Flower? Huh. That's different. I love the flower motif on it. I'm wondering if that's what I think it is. I don't think it is. Watch, someone's gonna be like, what's wrong with you? But the cork tells me it's not Blinko. I know Blinko has like a daisy vase like that. Huh. There's a lot of stimulation happening back here. And there's a Blinko strawberry, $30. A lot of different stuff going on back here. See, it looks to be Stevens and Williams over there. First, I'm going for this cake. Cake. That was a Freudian slip. I was at case. Excuse me. Man, some different Blinko pieces in here for sure. Well, I see a couple metal enamel flower brooches I like in here. I'm having a hard time finding tags on them. Oh my gosh, the clip earrings are so much fun. Those ones I know say 10. And then there's one up there. I think that one's 10. I don't see a price tag on that one. Maybe I'll have to get a key. Whoa, look at that. With the green rhinestone. Okay, let's get a key. Well, that was sure a fun shop. I will definitely be back. And now let's go off to the Charleston Antique Mall.